Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the tools necessary for a serious photograph. How to use the Colorchecker Passport to generate calibration files. First, let us have a look at the Colorchecker Passport. This one I'm using is the first generation, and now X RITE company has the second generation. Please go to the website to download its manual. There's a lot of information. When we open this Colorchecker Passport, the first page is like this. This one here is 18% the gray cut. This is just for the lighting meter. Here is for the white balance. For the preset white balance to your camera. Second page we will see here the target. There's many pictures here. We can look. The one is the skin tones. These pictures represent the skin tones. Two represent the blue sky and the foliage green, so it's just for our eyes. Three from here to here. These pictures represent a variety of common natural tones and secondary colors. Four just for the screen. For the monitoring screen correct and printing, the CMY. It means cyan, magenta, yellow. 5 is the Staples Color Check Creative Enhancement Target. We are use it most often. Now we can see in the middle there's two rows. The first row is for the portrait photography, and the second row is for the landscape photography. The first page is the neutral white balance, and you see there's the plus. It means just slightly change the odd balance to the right. It means here is the natural white balance, and just from here to the right is a little warmer. Second row is for the landscape photography. Just in the middle, this patch, it means natural white balance. Left, the minus the white balance, it means a little cooler. And the right, just a little warmer. Here just how to use in the Adobe Bridge Capture One, and how to deal with in your Lightroom. Let's get started. I just place some Olympic toys from 2008. I'm using the Lightmeet Scanlic L478. We just go to the website here, download the software. Choose Windows or Mac. Open the Lightroom and add a new catalog and import every image that we have taken this time. Until now, I have created a camera profile. Let me go to the Lightroom Developer module and go to the profile. Just choose the camera profile we have created. Let's have a look at this image before and after adjustment. Let's look at some color in this image. The right side is green, and we have to look at yellow. These two colors, the yellow and the green, are exactly the same color as I was shooting. Please look at in the middle, the red color. They look much different between them. We open the Adobe Bridge. Just choose the picture, the image that I have taken. Right click. Open in camera raw. The profile, we can choose Adobe Color or Adobe Standard. But we should do nothing. Okay, choose Save Image. We make sure the extension is DNG, and we choose where we save the photo is desktop. Okay, just click Save. Done. We go to the standalone Apple to process the camera profile. Just drag the image to the center. This section I just want to show how to use camera profile in Adobe Bridge. All of these, they are pictures that this time I have taken, so I just want to choose one, then right click to open in camera raw. For this picture we have two options. One option is here, just click the two row icon here, you can see. Just scroll down to the profile. There is two the camera profile. One is from the Lightroom, one is from the standalone Apple. Or the other way is two here. You just click browse. Then we'll go to the same place. We just choose this one and close. Now we are going to create a camera profile for capture one. So we open this image and go to the color adjustment. Go down to the ICC profile. Just choose here. We choose effect, no color correction. Here, curve. We should choose linear response. Go to the file, export images here. We choose the variants. Just good. I just want to save it in the desktop and choose TIFF uncompressed. Here it's very important, we should choose embed camera profile, so everything is okay. Just want to name it for profile, then click export. To open this same standalone Apple here, color check, camera calibration. Open it. For the Adobe is DNG, and we should choose ICC-TIF. Then this one is the image exported, so just drag this TIF here. Okay, it's very good, position is very good, so just create profile here, 2020 0505, save. And reopen it. Now we just go to the color adjustment, go to the ICC profile, click, show all, here, all, here, Nikon D850 2020 505, just click here. Then we go to here, the curve we choose photo. Now it works, so you can do the other things that you want.